Want to log into NFL Plus and start streaming? First, you want to open up any web browser and head over to plus.nfl.com, or you can also open the NFL app on your phone. Next, you want to scroll down a bit. Now, if you're wondering what is NFL Plus, then NFL Plus includes access to live local and primetime regular season and postseason games on your phone, live out-of-market preseason games, live game audio, NFL library programming, ad-free game highlights, and NFL Fantasy Plus roster. If you haven't already subscribed to NFL Plus, you won't be able to log in. So first of all, make sure to subscribe to NFL Plus. Once you have subscribed, you can simply head over to the login portal either in the browser or in the NFL app. Then you will have to enter your credentials here. So go ahead and enter your email address, then tap continue. Now you can select sign in with passkey or sign in with password. Then enter your password here and tap on the sign in option. Once that is done, you will be successfully signed into your account, and after the NFL subscriptions, you will get all of the benefits unlocked. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.